It's our last night at the Shabin. It's sad.
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Is it called videotape?
No.
No.
Well, no, because there's no tape
Videoing.
involved. Videoing. Yes. It's our last night at the Shabin. Sad.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it either. All right, I know we go through this every single time, and it's time to leave the Shabin. And I always like to give you guys like a final walkthrough of the Shabin before we head out. I always hate to leave, but here we are. It's time to go home, and we'll be back in a couple months, and yeah, probably spend another week or 10 days here in a couple months, but yeah, it's time. Let's go. All right, here's the Shabin. Jason hooked up a whole bunch more solar lighting this trip, so it's a lot brighter in here, a lot nicer. Our kids slept up in the loft, which was quite awesome, and nothing's really changed about the bathroom. Such an amazing place. It's so simple. One more little walk around outside before we take off. Lots more accomplished on this trip. The Shabin got stained and sealed with used motor oil and diesel. We sited our awesome little shed over here. Also stained it with used motor oil and diesel. We built a shower around the corner.
Got Hunter showering right now.
Oh.
Hi, Hunter.
I think he's just wiping the poison ivy off. We're all a little bit covered in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rough. But anyway, there's our little shed. Our solar panels, which we hooked more lights up to this time. We built a driveway again, basically. Rebuilt the driveway, did some more rock farming. Built an outdoor table, camp kitchen. So awesome. Hey guys, I'm back for 2 seconds just to ask you a huge favor. Will you please subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos? It would help us. It helps us a lot to grow the channel and the motivation to keep making videos. So yeah, we would love you to subscribe to our channel and maybe like this video if you liked it, and leave your comments below. We'd love to answer your questions, and yeah, that's about all I got. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye, Shabin.